Son, bring tomatoes from the jungle.
Okay, Daddy, I'm on my way.
Be safe.
I will. Whee, this is so much fun. Hello there. Wow, beautiful cow. Hop on.
Whee! This is fun. Hey there. Need a hand? Hop on, friend. Yay! Adventure time.
Whee, this is so much fun. Look at all the dust we're making. Let's go. Time to collect some tomatoes. What a ride. Whee, let's go for a ride. Hold on tight, tomatoes. What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful sunset. What a beautiful night for a drive. Hello. Mind if I join you? Not at all. Hop on.
Woohoo! Hold on tight, tomatoes. What a beautiful day for a ride. Here we go. Whee, what a ride. Hold on tight. Daddy, I brought the tomatoes from the jungle.
Wonderful, son. Thank you.
Here you go.
Great job. Son, take your brother's tractor, go to the jungle to collect wood, and take it to your brother's house.
Today, I'm heading to the jungle to get a log, friend. There is a shortage of wood at home, so today I went to get wood. And go jungle. Oh no, a dead end? Wait, is that a bridge? Yes, let's cross. This forest is so gloomy. Wow, look at those mountains.
Hey everyone, let's load these logs.
Okay, this is
Great job.
We got this. One more coming up.
Wow, you guys are strong.
Yippee! This is fun! Whoa! My logs! What a mess! Oh dear, this is hard. Oof! Stuck again! I give up.
What a lovely day for a drive.
I am taking wood home, but I feel scared. Finally going back home. Friend, don't forget to subscribe to watch videos like this. This is not the house I live in, it's my brother's house.